wasted like those cigarettes, staring at the moon. We'd go to bed in my arms, you're safe and sound without a threat, and I can't wait to see.
So guys, I did my brows off camera because you guys know I always do my brows whenever I'm doing my videos, so I just thought of like doing my brows to like save time. I have done it. If you want to see how I do my brows, because each of my videos I always start with my brows, you can watch other of my videos to see how I do my brows. So that was it. I'm going to blend the concealer into my lid using a beauty blender just to blend it. Just tap it like this. So I'm not going to set it with a setting powder. So I'm just going to like dab it just like that into my lid. I'm using these three palettes. This one is from Sephora. This one is palette to take away the coffee, intense coffee collection. I'm going to use this, but I'm going to use this too. This one is also from Sephora, and I'm going to use this one from Essence. So I'll be taking a brush, then I'll be starting with this shade right here. Using this brush from BH, this one is 004. I'm just going to use that to blend my brow bone. With that same brush, I'm going to take this shade here, which is lighter. I'm going to use that also on my brow bone. Then I'm going to take this brush. This one is also from BH. This one is 104. To take this shade, this one right here, to press that here from my crease area. So pigmented. To this intense coffee collection, I'm going to use a tiny brush like this. Then I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to use that to blend the upper side. I'll put it on top the first shade of a reddish brownish shade. I'm going to take another brush without any product. I'm just going to use that to blend the upper side. Because I want to add little definition to the outer V, I will use this shade, dark brown shade. I'm just going to press it at the outer V area. This is a dark brown, not black. I'm going to touch this purple shade. It's a shimmer, and I'm going to pack it. This reddish shade, this one here. Yeah, I want to add little. Using this brush. No one wants to see that. No one wants to see the ash line. No one wants to see that. Add the purple. I'm just going to repress that. Hey girl.
Hello?
Yeah.
What's going on?
Filming.
You filming?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Alright.
I just need to like film videos. You understand?
Yeah.
So that's what I'm trying to do.
Anyways, so let me leave it for you to finish when you're done.
Yeah, when I'm done, I'll call you, okay? I'm going to use this Volume Amazing Revlon mascara. My first time. And this is a gift. Let's try it. Ah, this is good. I like the mascara. So guys, let me put on my lashes, then I'll get back to you guys. I will get back to you guys. I'm going to use this turquoise blue eyeliner on my waterline. Then I'm going to take this dark blue shade, this one here. Then I'll take the light blue shade, this one, just to blend the under of it. Take this gold here and put that on my tear dot area here. This is just to open my eye. Let me spray my brush. So I'm going to take an eyeliner just to line under my lashes. This is just to cover. For my lips, I'll be using this brown lipstick. I said brown, not really brown. It's like us blood color. Wow. Guys, I love this lipstick. It's so creamy. I'm going to top it with a brown. So to my lips, I'm going to add this lip gloss from Fenty. So guys, this is the finished. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to click on that subscribe button and the post notification bell. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Hello papi, mais qu'est-ce que ça? J'entends des bails atroces sur moi.